Hey there YouTube, it's Superbrain AK, and I'm back. Kinda, sort of. I know it's been a while, been catching up on school and doing my work. Working for an IT team for a bunch of social workers, so I get to image all their laptops and computers and fun stuff like that. But here right now is I've got my massive ZVS driver, I guess Mark 1, Mark 1.1, because Mark 1 I had the Zeners flipped around the wrong way. Oops. I was wondering why it wasn't oscillating. That's probably why. But yeah, anyway, I've got this nice heatsink here. It's got some heat pipes. Don't know if you can see those, because I certainly can't on the far side, but it's a little computer power supply, or computer CPU heatsink. And I'm going to put these fans on them. I've got two of them, so one will go like that and the other will be on this side, and they'll push air through. These are actually from a server. Got quite a few of them, various ones, and yeah, that'll be nice. Move some air through here. And then I've got the two MOSFETs on this heatsink. Took me a while to actually get screws in there because I don't have a drill or a tap set, so I did manage to borrow a drill to get those screws in there, and then I just screwed them in with the right size, and one snapped off in that hole there. That's going to be the power supply for the fans. But yeah, I've just got it jury-rigged up with the alligator clips over the circuit board. Negatives on the two whites, the collectors on the yellow. The gates are, well, the drains are on the yellow, the gates are on the greens. That just goes over here. Resistors, zeners, diodes, hold-on resistors. And I've got the power supply input, capacitor, and then a little barrel jack 2. This Energizer 16 volt 4 amp, and two collectors go over here to my massive flyback, 6+6 turns, same as last time. Small capacitor 0.33, coil there, pretty thick wire, and then that goes off to amp meter down over here to the power supply. So right now this is just for testing purposes to see if it works, and eventually I'll have it all soldered up on here, all nice and proper with nice thick wires, and it should handle some power. So yeah, let's plug it in. Kind of hear it discharging Corona. Oh, oops. Forgot to move this fan over here. Foxconn 120 mil. There we go. It's actually a fairly decent arc. Pulling 2.6 amps max. And that little barrel jack there doesn't like more than 2, so I guess I gotta be careful. Ooh, that's pretty. It's heating up the wire there, or that clip. See if I can turn off the light here. Ooh, that's dark. Wow, I can feel the heat from that. That looks pretty awesome. Well, that clip's starting to glow. I don't think this camera is doing it justice because the nice purple with a orange glow to it. Wow. Yeah, that's about 3 amps there. Ugh. There we go. So yeah, it's working pretty well. I'm glad that it is. That way I can start wiring it up on there and plug it into that power supply there. Mr. SEC1223, which is 13.8 volts, like 25 amps I think, and give it some nice power. And then eventually I'm going to make something out of this, which is an old server power supply. It's got a nice fan in the back and plug, and then it's the room. I just got stuff shoved in there. Eventually I'm gonna wire this up, switch and 15 amp breaker, and for the actual power supply part, 8 of these bad boys, which are your average Dell 90 watt laptop charger. So 8 of these suckers in there. Thinking about getting some aluminum heat sinks put between them. And yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope to post more very soon. See ya.